activist is taking some local teens to task. It's an in-your-face campaign to reverse the lowly fashion trend. Their motto, pull up your pants and help your community. Fox 2's John Gadsden has new details on what some consider a fashion emergency.
As part of that positive message of why you should pull up your pants,
sagging topped the docket for these Northwest High School accelerated law students. 5 presenters made their case against wearing your pants below the waist.
I don't find it aesthetically appealing.
This debater, who owns her own company, said she would never ever date a man who left home with sagging pants.
I mean, that's just not something that's appropriate. It's not attractive to me. It's not something that would catch my attention.
It's from the heart.
Kenneth Boyd spent 19 years in prison. He told his young audience, both in and out of jail, nothing good comes from wearing your britches drooping down.
It's sad. We as a people, we have to take and we have to educate our youth. I don't mind taking the time out to come out here and educate these folks, especially after 19 years in prison.
Just like when the speaker said that you appear lazy.
Jeremy Burnett told me he has sagged on rare occasions, but now, never more.
You appear as if when you woke up that morning that you didn't care. You should be a little bit more careful because stereotypes are running rampant these days.
When I meet somebody, it's their demeanor.
This sophomore, too, finds sagging highly unattractive.
If they are sagging and, you know, they have the wrong demeanor, then I'm going to be like, step up.
The Universal African People sponsored this event. The group's charged to lift up people who are in need. John Gadsden, Fox 2 News.
This is the first of many campaigns the group is planning to wage.
Wear their pants so low that their underpants show. At Northwest Academy, a panel of community activists talked with students about the importance of dressing to impress, and students responded.
Those individuals who are really taking a vested interest in you, they're not emulating the negative message that sagging brings about.
I think it is important to, look presentable at all times. I do feel like sagging is bad.
Aimed at getting teens and young adults to stop wearing sagging pants. Newsjet Live Sharon Stevens says one town banned the style years ago.
In Pine Lawn, if you're caught wearing saggy pants, it could cost you. Authorities have handed out more than a dozen summonses since 2007.
The penalty is $100 for adult violator, and for parental neglect, which will fall under saggy pants, will be a $300 fine to the parents.
Collins says the saggy pants look originated in prisons. It was a prisoner's way of letting another inmate know that he wanted to have sex. But most kids say they were only interested because the style helps them fit in. It's been made popular by several entertainers. At Northwest Academy High School for Law, students heard community activists encourage them to dress to impress and not to show the world their underwear. Some athletes say sagging pants aren't a good fit.
Playing running back, you gotta, have the moves to, move for looseness. So it's not a real good thing to do.
We as a community need to encourage our young people all across St. Louis, all across the state of Missouri, all across this country, for our young people to pull up your pants and help your community. The world is watching.
After the forum, all 250 students pledged not to wear